Welcome to Bizplay. In this video, I will show you how to create a simple page. From the dashboard, open the Pages panel. Click on Add to add a new page, rename it to Page 1, and press Enter. Now, select the page and click on Edit to start editing in the Page Designer. For now, let's add a box shape to our page. Under Box Properties, you can adjust the background color to any color you'd like. To move the element, simply drag it around. Change the size of the shape by dragging any corner of the shape. To add text to the page, click on the text element. Start typing to change the text. Under Text Properties, you can change the overall text size as well as other settings. Let's move the text by dragging it. Now let's add our logo next to the text. You can find the image icon under Basic Elements. Select the image you want to add to the page. Resize the image by dragging one of the corners. And move it by dragging the image. To set a background image, click on the Page settings. Then click the folder icon to select your background image. And that is it. To save the page, click on Save and Back and you are done. You just created a page in no time.